Hello everyone, Natalie here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool if you're looking for white label audits for your website. And in today's video, we'll be continuing our SE ranking series. And if in the previous videos we have done videos about our tutorials that are leaning towards the free trial accounts, because we wanted to give you an insight of how SE ranking works. Starting from today, we'll be doing the videos or tutorials using a paid subscription account, and this is also to help you discern if SE ranking is really what you need and want. So, without further ado, let us go ahead and see and learn about SE ranking and their tools and features. So we have actually done this step prior, which is creating an account, but that one is for free, or creating a project, I mean. But that one was for the free trial account. So I'm just gonna go over it again and want you all to join me as I create a project here in SE ranking using a paid subscription account this time. So it's the same thing. You can access creating a project either by clicking on this plus button right here, or if you hover your mouse on this green button right here, which is create project. So let's just do that and create a new project for our account. So I'm just gonna be using pearlemon.com, and then project name pearlemon analysis, and you can see here domain or URL, but I'm just gonna be using a domain. And then here you can click or choose whatever search range you want, and then here it's just me. Weekly report enabled and website audit enabled, and checking day is every Thursday. So let's go ahead and continue. So here you will have to input keywords that are related to your website. In our case, since Pearlemon is an SEO agency, then we'll be talking about, or we will be adding in keywords that are related to SEO. For example, SEO. And then here, if you're running out of ideas of what keywords you want to put, there's always the suggested keywords right here on the right side. Just click on whatever words or keywords that you want to use. You can see here it also includes the metric or the results for its search volume, so you can see how well this is ranking, how well the keywords are ranking in general. And then SEO in London, SEO agencies, yes, pretty much those London SEO agencies. So these are keywords that we want to focus on because they relate to Pearlemon the best. So if you want to add keywords, just click on that. So we have now 5 added keywords in our stash. You also can check, or for example, if you want to use the keyword suggestion feature, then you can also this list will change depending on what country you have selected here. For example, for that one we have United Kingdom, but if you want to go over and choose USA, that's good as well, and other countries as well. SE ranking has a lot of countries that you can choose from, of course, because of their competitive database. So here what we want to do is just click on next, and then search engine, we have Google there, and country would be United Kingdom. We're just going to stick with those. And location, let's just use London, London, England, United Kingdom, and then English for our Google interface language. But if you want to click, or if you want to change this, and definitely go ahead, include Google local pack results. So click on this button if you want to include that, and if you also want to track Google ad rankings. So let's just do that. And then if you want to add another search engine, for example Bing, YouTube, stuff like those, you can by clicking on this plus button right here, and then let's click next, and this is the part where we get to add our competitors. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same as the video that we uploaded previously. The only difference is that back then you can only I believe you can only add up to three in terms of competitors and the other factors upon making the project, but here we get to add 5, which is the most per project. And up here we can actually put in manually, or we can also use the suggest competitors feature so that we won't have to research manually about our competitors. So that's one very useful trick. So let's click on that. So here are the top competitors if you're looking for services the same as what we offer in the United Kingdom. So I'm just gonna click the top 5 right there. And if you want to add more competitors, just click on this button. But for us, let's stick with that, and I'm just gonna click on next. So come get website have been typed in the text field, add and continue. So statistics and analytics services. So you can click on finish, and that concludes making the project for SE ranking. So immediately we're brought in back to the dashboard where we get to see the results from the project that we just made. As you can see here, these are the projects that we have made. You can view that by going here. You can expand this actually. Select project, and then you can choose from the projects right here, and then if you want to use certain tool, then you can absolutely choose from the ones available on the list right here. Yep, so that's it basically on how to create a project. If you want to expand more or learn more about the project, then just tick this arrow right here. But yeah, we'll be mostly building up this project as we go, and as we use these tools that we have, which is under SE ranking. So thank you guys so much for joining us as we created a new project here in SE ranking that demonstrates how it would be if you're using a paid account. And also don't forget that we do have a lead generation tool that you can check if you go over to SERPWizz.com, and I will be including a link on the description box on how you can access a free guide that shows you how SERPWizz.com helps you generate thousands of dollars in autopilot. So that's it for me today. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you guys again on the next video.